So now we have a problem statement 2.12. A charge of 8 millicoulomb is located at the origin. So this is 0, 0, 0. Calculate the work done taking a small charge minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb from a point P to point Q via point R 069. तो मैं इसको इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट तक लेके आ रहा हूं. Which path I am following, it is not important at all. Initial point and final point, these 2 points are only important for me. ठीक है, तो via point R, this statement does not have any value in this question. ठीक, तो अभी हमें क्या करना है, वर्क डन निकालना है. इस छोटे चार्ज को, स्मॉल चार्ज है माइनस 2 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 9 कूलॉम को इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट से लाने में कितना हमें काम करना पड़ेगा. वंडरफुल. तो आइडिया ये है कि इस पॉइंट चार्ज के चलते इस पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल निकालेंगे हम, एंड वी विल गिव अ नेम Vp, and similarly due to this point charge we will calculate the potential at point Q and we will give it a name VQ. Okay, now in order to calculate the work done we need to find the potential difference, these 2 points VQ minus VP. एक बार हम VQ माइनस VP हम निकाल लेंगे, उसके बाद हमको चार्ज से हमें सिंपली उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो दिस इज ऑल वी आर सपोज टू डू ओवर हियर. तो मैं थोड़ा इसको अपने माइक को थोड़ा ठीक कर लेता हूँ. Excuse me guys, just couple of seconds. So everything is fine now. Good. So this is the idea. We need to find the potential, electric potential at point P and electric potential at point Q, and after that we will calculate the potential difference, and then in order to calculate the work done we will multiply the charge Q with this potential difference. Okay, so we will accomplish our task in 3 stages. We will calculate Vp, then we will calculate, subsequently we will calculate VQ, and then finally we will calculate W. So let's see what would be the value of Vp. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R, which is 9 into 10 to the power 9, 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 centimeter, 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. This goes 3 into 8 minus 1, 10 to the power 8, 24 into 10 to the power 8, or 2.4 into 10 to the power 9. This is the potential we have found at point P. Wonderful. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 8 into 10 to the power minus 3, Okay, fine. That part we have already taken care of. I hope it is fine. Now we need to calculate VQ. 9 into 10 to the power 9 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So 18 into 10 to the power 8, or we can say 1.8 into 10 to the power 9. तो आप ये देखो, ये कैलकुलेशन बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है, क्योंकि ये डिस्टेंस स्मॉल है ना, स्मॉलर है कंपेयर टू दिस वन, तो यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा है 2.4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9, और यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस we can see there is a fall in the value of potential. ठीक है, perfect. So now we need to calculate VQ minus VP, potential difference. Potential difference, VQ minus VP. So the difference would be minus 0.6 into 10 to the power 9 volt. 1.8 minus 2.4. It is minus 0.6. Minus 0.6 into 10 to the power 9 volt. This is our potential difference. Now work done would be charge multiplied by potential difference. What is the magnitude of the small charge? The magnitude of the small charge is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 into minus 0.6 into 10 to the power 9 joule. So minus minus comes out to be positive. 10 to the power minus 9 and 10 to the power 9, it goes cancelled. 1.2 joule should be the answer. ठीक है. So I hope आपको ये एक्सप्लेनेशन समझ में आया होगा. अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. इसमें आपको पहले इस पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल निकालनी है, फिर इस पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल निकालनी है, फिर you need to find the potential difference VQ minus VP, और उसके बाद जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस आया उसको हमने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. So this was all about problem statement 2.12. Thank you very much.